Hi, good evening, welcome. Hi, good evening, welcome. Hi, good evening, welcome. Hi, good evening, welcome. Hi, good evening, welcome.
Thank you so very much to everybody for coming here. And छोटी सी शुरुआत है, अपने थोड़े बड़े सब साथ में हैं, तो शुरुआत थोड़ी सी मज़ेदार लग रही है। पहली फिल्म है, सबका सपोर्ट, सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स चाहिए। एंड ऑल आर हियर। थैंक यू गुलजार साहब फॉर कमिंग, विशाल जी, माय मेंटर, माय गुरु, गाइड, एवरीथिंग। आई ओम माय लाइफ फ्रॉम हिम, सो I always need your support. विशाल जी के साथ
There's nothing much to say. I would just like to thank Guldar Saab and Vishal Saab to come on the stage. and unveil our little baby here for the people at large. Please, sir. Please. डायरेक्टर को आप बुलाओ, आप पहले फिल्म इनवील कर ले तो बुला दो।
Whoa! Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Sorry, sir.
ये लड़की कहाँ है? इसको तो बुलाइए, डायरेक्टर को तो देखें पे। डायरेक्टर से मुलाकात नहीं हो पा रही।
Guys, give it up for Gurgun Singh Sharma.
आइए इसके साथ खड़े हुए।
Guldar sir, I will request for you to say a few words.
जी मैं मुबारकबाद दे रहा हूँ उनको, जिन्होंने ये पहला कदम उठाया है और बड़ी खूबसूरती से और हिम्मत से उठाया है और जोश व खरोश के साथ उठाया। मैं अच्छे मेहमानों को बुलाया, आप सबको मुबारकबाद उनके साथ। और कैमरे के सामने जो कुछ इनसे करवाया जाता था, अब यहाँ इस बार डायरेक्टर बताएंगी कि अब हम आपके साथ क्या सलूक करने वाले हैं। आपने जो कुछ हमारे साथ किया हम सब वही करेंगे, है ना? तो मुबारकबाद फॉर यू, कोंकणा को मुबारकबाद क्योंकि उनकी पहली पिक्चर है और पहली डायरेक्शन है। तो आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट। और डायरेक्शन में आदमी अक्सर दुबला हो जाता है, पर इससे ज्यादा दुबला होने की जरूरत नहीं है। गो अहेड विद करेज, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And Vishal sir, how does it feel? I mean, kids who have worked under you, learned under you, अब आपकी family extend हो रही है ना? And your kind of cinema, real cinema promote करने के लिए दोनों निकले हैं। क्या कहना चाहते हैं sir?
Actually, we have all learned together. We have all grown together. It's not that कि इन्होंने मेरे अंडर सीखा, हम सब ने साथ में सीखा। मैं भी सीख रहा था जब ये सीख रहे थे, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है। कई सारी खुशियाँ, एक तो ये कि अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो रहे हैं। आई थिंक द ओनली वे टू मेक फिल्म्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री इज बाय बिकमिंग ए प्रोड्यूसर। और दूसरी खुशी ये है कि अब इस तरफ आए हो, अब ज़रा मज़ा आएगा, ज़रा पता चलेगा डायरेक्टर्स क्या करते हैं।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। नहीं, मुझे अभिषेक ने कहा था कि विशाल जी के साथ काम करते हुए उन्होंने एक वार्निंग दी थी हमें, देखो सबसे पहले तुम लिखना सीखो, अगर डायरेक्टर बनना है तो लिखना सीखो तुम, यू मस्ट लर्न टू राइट। तो इसे जब हमने लिखना सीख लिया और डायरेक्टर हो गए तो फिर हमसे कहा अब तुम प्रोड्यूसर होना सीखो, वरना उसके बगैर ये काम पूरा नहीं होगा। एंड आई थिंक दे हैव द राइट काइंड ऑफ अ गाइड विद देम एंड दे हैव टेकन द राइट स्टेप्स।
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir.
So I'm very happy for both of them, and it's like my own production house, you know, they have made. And on top of that, I'm such a big fan of Coco. She, look, everyone is saying that.
मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
No, I'm such a big fan of her, and I think she's the finest actor to have happened to us in our industry. And she has direction in her genes. She has a writer. Her father is such a prolific writer. And I'm so excited to watch your film, Coco. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Come. Thanks a lot, sir. I would like to call upon the stage I Dream. And I would request that what do you have to say coming on board? I mean, of course, you both hit the same creative sensibilities. What do you have to say about A Death in the Gunj, about Coco, about each and every member associated with the project?
No, after a very long time, we are coming back, and I think this is one of the finest scripts we read after a very long time too. And बड़ा अच्छा लगा पढ़ के, and Coco is obviously we are a big fan of Coco as an actor. And what we thought was really a perfect screenplay without changing a single dot or a comma. We said we decided to come on board. And obviously the guidance of, and I'm really humbled by the presence of Gulzar ji and Vishal ji over here to bless us and to sort of launch us, in fact relaunch iDream again, because we've been away for a while. So it's a great thing for Coco and for Honey and Abhishek and for us. So thank you guys for, and wish us all the best for the film.
Of course. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, sir. Coco, you need to stay. And sir, thanks a lot, sir. Yes. So, Coco, I would request you. So, this is not the real poster, guys. This is what they want to clarify. And I, of course, please come in the middle now. Why are you so nervous? Yeah. So, of course, we want to know that where did the journey start from? कहाँ से ये शुरुआत हुई? And how does it feel that you have such amazing people on board to, I mean, produce your first film?
I'm so thrilled and so excited to be here today. And it's so amazing that this is inspired from some childhood story that I've been hearing since I was 5 or 6 years old. And now it's so unbelievable that so many people are here because we're making that movie. It's just, it's unreal. The whole feeling is unreal. And Hani and Abhishek have been my guardian angels from the beginning. And studio, the iDreams has, come in with their support, and I'm just so happy because, I mean, it's not really necessarily a very conventional film in some ways. And the fact that Vishalji and Gulzar Saab are also here, it just gives me, yeah, a lot of moral support. And I have my amazing cast and crew here as well, who I'd like to call up.
On that note, please come on the stage. The entire cast of A Death in the Gunj. Tanuja ji, can I help you? Please, come.
God, I don't want the mic. I don't want the mic. Oh, please, somebody else take it.
Okay, then somebody. I don't need the mic. So of course, Om Puri sir is missing because of his prior commitments. He's already shooting, and so Coco, I'm gonna ask you a tough one. Who is your favorite character? Who is your favorite character?
My favorite
Guys,
is...
I'm so sorry. Guys, please sit. Guys, please sit. Yes, please sit.
My favorite is Arya, who is the most important part of our team.
Arya, what do you want to say about Coco?
She's already been part of the workshops, and so you can say something about that if you want.
She's creative, and she has, like when we were doing the workshop, it was a lot of fun.
Cute. Nice. Before I mean, ask you guys to ask a question, I want to ask you guys that you've been doing workshops together. So far, what is the difference you have seen between the actress Konkona and the director-writer Konkona?
No, I think as an actor, because she's such a fabulous actress, she understands what actors go through. So she's very gentle and empathetic and almost tender, I would say, which is a rare quality in a director. So I think I've known about the script for much longer than the rest of the guys, and even when she had not thought about making a film, I had told her that she should, because she just has a fabulous eye. You should see some of the photographs that she takes. And I've always been looking forward to this. I didn't know I would be part of it, but I'm glad that she's finally directing.
You want me to say something? Okay. Of course, she's a fabulous actress, and I want to say, yeah. Well, he's expecting me to say something, so. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if there are any other adjectives that are left that I can use to describe how great an actress she is. But when we started working on this project, we started reading the script and discussing. You could see a tremendous amount of excitement. There was a childlike excitement in her. You know, she was like bubbling and bouncing all the time, and she was so excited just to meet. Oh, I'm so excited to meet you and all that. It's fantastic to just come across this sort of an energy, and it's quite infectious. So it was great doing the workshops, and we had a lot of fun and a lot of fooling around. But so really looking forward to the schedule and making the film together.
So guys, 25th June is the day when they go on floors. Of course, now you have a lot of questions for Kalki, for Tanuja ji. 25th Jan, I'm so sorry.